Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to I Have No Clue. And I wanted to make another video on this Legend Force rototiller. It has just been, man, it has been tearing things up and getting property all nice looking and whatnot. And I wanted to make a quick video because in my last video it's squealing. It's squealing pretty bad. And I did, and it doesn't sound good. But a viewer had contacted me and let me know that the belt just needed to be adjusted. And the way I adjusted the belt was I loosened up this nut right here and then turned that in. I turned this in and then tightened that back down, and the squealing's gone. The squealing's gone. The only time it kind of does a little squeal is when you engage it. It'll squeal just a touch, but I believe that's 100% normal, but it don't do that squeal anymore. That took care of the squealing. Like I said, you turn this thing on, this has been sitting, turn this on, get the choke, and this thing starts right up. First pull. It's running on the first pull, and you'll hear a little bit of a squeal in the very beginning, and then it stops. Hear that? And it's just tearing it up. It's tearing it up. And then you got the reverse. That thing kind of like pushes dirt like a plow. It pushes dirt like a plow. Anyhow, very happy with this machine. It runs to the top, starts right up, and I tell you, this is just a couple of minutes of rototilling, and it just tears it up. It works very well. For the money, this is worth every penny. It really is. So, until next time, have a good one.